Okay, start.
你叫咩名啊？
係我係 Lina，
你幾多歲啊？
我係40歲啊。
結咗婚未啊？
未啊，
哦，你香港做咗幾耐啊？
12年啦。
哦，咁香港屋企僱主 employer 屋企有咩人啊？
嗰啲日哥婆婆。
哦，婆婆幾多歲啊
75歲。
哦，咁平時同阿婆婆做咩㗎？
我去買餸啊，我去煲入邊啊，
覆診。
我去卜診。
哦，
我俾婆婆食藥啦。
哦，咁使唔使整乾淨屋企啊？清潔屋企都要係咪啊
？OK啊。
哦，你平時幾點鐘起身啊？
我係婆婆接我7點半啦。
哦，瞓覺咧幾點鐘瞓覺？
瞓覺9點啊。
哦。
9點鐘。
Okay, good, very good. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Lina.
How are you?
I'm 40 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Okay, so how long you work in Hong Kong?
I'm 12 years already here in Hong Kong.
How many another experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how many member family in your previous employer?
Just only one.
One papa.
One popo.
How old the papa?
75 years old.
Okay, what's your many job duties in previous employer?
Go to the market, give the medicine to the popo, and cleaning the house, and go to the popo in the hospital, and to cooking, marketing, iron.
Oh, okay, good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.